You are the best mother in the world. The kid is telling to the mother. Why? Do you know? Like the mother eagerly waiting. Why I became best mother in the world? Like the kid is telling, Amma, if I'm telling anything, if I start telling anything, you stopped all your work. You are going to listen carefully each and everything, whatever I'm telling, ma. You stop all your works and your concentration. You are always going to listen me only. You are the best mother in the world. This is the statement one kid used about his mother. Remember that. Two colleagues are there. What the other person is telling, he is not in a position to listen. What he is telling, the other person is not in a position to listen. The manager and employee. What manager is telling, we are not in a position, team member is not in a position to listen. A number of problems will come into the picture because of not listening capability, lack of listening capability. Any the problem? Yadoso, are you in a position to understand?
Yes, sir.
This is the bigger thing what you should get. That kid there, Amma, you are my best mother in the world. Whatever I'm going to tell, you are listening completely by stopping all your work. That is a good thing I like you. A small kid used, okay, about his mother. Okay, like that. So listen completely. That thing matters a lot. Matters a lot. So this is the most valuable skill you require to develop. Okay.